real good people look big. I'm so thankful for this rainwater. I'm gonna let it start rehydrating this cocoa. These are ingredients we're gonna use this week. This is an all organic grow. This is my first time using this, but it seemed to have all the ingredients we need. Our NPK looks good. Our Mycorrhizae look good, which are beneficial fungus. Let me see what this look like. First thing I noticed, it doesn't have a god awful smell, so that's pretty cool. And I'm gonna also add some of this Epsom salt. This is strictly for the extra magnesium it provides. And I'm going to do this seaweed to supply some trace minerals. There's going to be some, I can't even call it top shelf. The stuff that I produce is what bud tenders have in their car, growers have in their personal stash. I'm just going to sprinkle this in here. Here we go. Real easy. Real easy. I'm just going to mix this up. As we get a little more rainwater, this will finish doing what it do. And usually take a couple of days to let the mycorrhizae do what they're going to do. But I prefer this to any pre-made bag mix at any big box store or anything like that because of the sterility. It seems like everything you get in the store, you get home, next thing you got bugs everywhere and gnats, and it's just unescapable. But like this, I know I'm starting off with a Power Punch mix. I hope everybody creates the best week possible. Remember to use my code DGM513 at checkout. Here we go. Now I'm just going to mix all this up real easy. Real easy. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Be easy. Bless.